people on the islands are hearing about radiation from the nuclear disaster and fearing that it might come in here. So what I have here is a piece of a beam that came from a house or temple, some structure in Japan, and has been floating in the ocean for over 2 years. This piece was probably about 25 feet long when I saw it on the beach at Hanamaulu. But because of the shipworms and things, it's very fragile now and broke off. But I brought it in because this is one of those pieces that definitely came from Japan.
I knew there was a lot of trash in the ocean, but to actually be counting it every day was kind of like, wow, there's a lot of stuff washing up. We saw refrigerators wash up in September, and there was a pattern that continued like every 2 months. In November, we saw another buoy, we saw more foam, like housing insulation foam.
The Geiger counter measures how much radiation is coming out of the nearby environment within about 3 feet. The meter tells me about 750 counts per minute, which is the average for our beach rock, our sand, our concrete, things like that. And what that also means is that this piece of wood that I'm holding in my lap, which I already tested, does not have any radioactivity higher than the normal background level. It's just what's coming from the sky, from the rocks, from the concrete floor. And another student who has a presentation here, Leah Sousen, has a big display about her work at bacteria levels at Kauai Beach.
I chose groundwater, investigating groundwater contamination at Kauai because it's my backyard. I live near there, and I really care about the place. In Hawaiian culture, you look at the land and the water almost as family, and you want to take care of it. So when I heard that the water may be dirty and it may be because of the wastewater treatment facility, I'm like, hey, we need to do something about this. Like, what can we do? Well, first we need to find out if it is dirty and what's polluting it. With this internship, I found that maybe I can do what I love to do, is work with water, work with the ocean, work in Surfrider Foundation.
So Surfrider has clean air, clean water, clean beaches, and our programs are monitoring water and monitoring the marine debris. This fits in perfectly with the whole STEM program and Kauai Community College, a great partnership here, and I hope that more kids from the community will get involved with STEM, and I'd love to have them get involved with Surfrider.
Being born and raised in Kauai, being part Hawaiian, like, I just want to tell you that you can do it. Like, whatever your dream is, whatever you are interested in, go for it. Like, follow it. Like, if I can do it, you can do it.